everybody, I have a ton of junk jewelry that I have accumulated over the years, and also I have a ton of jewelry making supplies, and I don't like to get rid of it. Mostly, I love just having it in a big box all jumbled together so it looks like one of the treasures the Count of Monte Cristo found. By the way, I was obsessed with that book when I was growing up. Well, today on Make Your Mark, we are making some junk jewelry resin hearts for Valentine's Day. Now, these would look great as a pin, as a pendant necklace, or as a paperweight, depending on which size you make them. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say Happy Valentine's Day. Are you ready? Let's make some junk jewelry resin hearts. Costume jewelry has been around for almost 300 years. Through the decades, costume jewelry styles have evolved due to changing social and political trends, typically mirroring the larger trends of the fine jewelry world. Originally used for dental fixtures, epoxies were created in the 1930s by Dr. Pierre Castan in Switzerland and Dr. Sylvan Greenlee in the US. The first epoxies were amber-colored solids, but soon became widely available as adhesives. There are at least 3 different Saint Valentines, all of them martyrs. All 3 lived during the 3rd century AD. Saint Valentine of Rome, Saint Valentine of Terni, and the 3rd Saint Valentine is from a Roman province in North Africa. I'm going to leave a link to Eclectic Products and Famo Wood Glaze Coat Resin in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I will see you next week. Happy Valentine's Day.